And with Tim Dunn, we are at Real Estate Success Series at the St. Rose office, everybody. Okay, so, you know the drill. A lot of these people are newer and just starting and so forth. What would be the top 3 things you would tell them as they start their real estate career?
Don't overthink things, dive into it, do the action, keep the repetition going, because the rest will follow and success will follow you as well.
Okay, cool. Now when you say don't overthink things, give me an example. Like,
So when you go to call someone, don't think ahead, oh, they're not gonna like me or whatever, or anything like that. Just, just know within yourself that this person needs your help. So get on the phone and start calling them and say hi, just like they're your old friend, because you never know, that person may be your next friend.
So mindset's very important, and also
Yes.
it sounds like be proactive is what you're saying.
Always.
Okay, cool. And then I know that you're an you love doing open houses?
I love doing open houses. I love
Okay.
it. So at least 2 open houses a week if you can. Do more. Get in front of as many people as you possibly can, always.
All right, cool.
Awesome.
Thank you very much, man. Appreciate
Thank
it.
you.